Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome, and I hope you stay. Today, I'm gonna be making some banana cake with chocolate. Without wasting time, let's just get started. To start, I'll get a big enough bowl and come in with about three medium-sized bananas. With the help of my fork, I'll just mash it up. I'm not going for a very smooth texture. Next, I'll come in with about four medium-sized eggs. I'll go ahead and mix everything up. After that, I'll pour in about 50 milliliters of milk. I'll add about 4 to 5 tablespoonfuls of sugar and mix it up. Next, I'll add about 150 grams of melted butter. Now I'll sift in about 250 grams of cake flour. Now come in with about 10 grams of now come in with about 10 grams of baking powder. To mixing everything up, this is what we have here. As you can see, it's not silky smooth, and that is what I want. I've got some lumps of banana in there. I would want to add some extra chocolate. I've got here my favorite milk chocolate. I'll just break it into pieces and mix it up. After which I'll pour the mixture into a baking pan. As you can see, it's been dusted with some flour. Bake this in a preheated oven of 180 degrees Celsius, and I'll bake it for about 40 minutes. It's been after 40 minutes and it is ready. I'll just go ahead and cut a piece. Guys, you definitely need to give this a try. It is super soft, moist, delicious, and with those extra milk chocolate, you definitely need to try this at home. So I hope I did help you, and I hope you are going to give this a try. If you do, let me know how it comes out for you. So I hope I did help you, and I hope you are going to give this a try. If you do, let me know how it comes out for you. If you've not subscribed, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends, and don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye.